Before buying a fitness tracker, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Fitbit Inspire 3. Priced at $79.95. What caught my attention here is its comprehensive health tracking features, especially for stress management and sleep quality. If you want to improve your overall well-being, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Inspire 3 tracks your heart rate 24/7, giving you insights into your fitness levels and stress through daily scores. It has over 40 exercise modes, so whether you're running, cycling, or doing yoga, it keeps tabs on your activity. You can even monitor your sleep stages with a detailed sleep score. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clear people are finding value in it. Now, some people complained about the battery life only lasting about 5 days. Here's the thing though, for a tracker that offers so many features, it's not a deal breaker, especially if you're used to charging devices often. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable tracker to manage not just your workouts, but your overall health. Skip this one if you're looking for something with extreme battery longevity. For $79.95, it's a solid investment in your health journey. Now, if the Inspire 3's battery life bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LiveAkey Fitness Tracker. The LiveAkey Fitness Tracker, a budget-friendly option at only $19.99. This caught my eye because it offers essential features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a straightforward tracker that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LiveAkey tracks your heart rate throughout the day and even monitors your sleep quality, helping you understand how well you rest. With 9 sport modes, it's versatile enough to handle your daily activities, from running to walking. Plus, its IP68 waterproof rating means you don't have to worry about sweat or rain ruining your workout. It's also sold over 2,000 units recently, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some users mentioned the lack of advanced features compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though, if you're new to fitness tracking and just want something that tracks the basics, this is more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out on your fitness journey without wanting to spend a lot. Skip this one if you need more advanced health metrics or features. At $19.99, it's an excellent value for a beginner tracker. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tracking health metrics. Product number 3, MorePro Fitness Tracker. The MorePro Fitness Tracker. What grabbed my attention is its comprehensive health monitoring features, especially for heart rate and blood pressure. If you want to take your health tracking seriously, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tracker provides round-the-clock heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, helping you stay consistent with your health goals. Plus, it tracks blood oxygen levels, which is especially helpful if you're into fitness. With over 2,000 units sold recently, it's clearly making waves. The 120+ sport modes allow you to tailor your tracking to whatever activities you enjoy. Now, some folks pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize functionality over form factor, it's totally fine for day-to-day wear. This is perfect for you if you want a tracker that goes beyond basic fitness metrics to monitor your health closely. Skip this one if you have smaller wrists and prefer something lightweight. For $49.99, this is a powerhouse for health enthusiasts. Now, if the bulkiness of the MorePro is a turnoff, the next option might just suit your taste. Product number 4, Bacor Fitness Tracker. We have the Bacor Fitness Tracker, going for $28.99. It caught my eye because of its sleek design and great functionality at a low price point. If you want an affordable tracker that looks good and performs well, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bacor tracks your heart rate continuously, along with sleep patterns, giving you a complete picture of your health. With 25 sports modes, it can handle nearly any activity you throw at it. Its IP68 waterproof rating means you can wear it confidently while swimming or in the rain. Plus, it's already sold over 2,000 units, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some reviews mentioned the screen brightness could be better in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it indoors or during workouts, it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable tracker that doesn't skimp on features. Skip this one if you need something that shines bright in outdoor conditions. For $28.99, it's a steal with its range of functionalities. All right, that wraps up the Bacor, but if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, hang tight for the last product. Product number 5, fitness tracker with AMOLED display. We have a fitness tracker with an AMOLED display for just $28.99. This caught my attention because of its vibrant screen and extensive tracking features. If you want a visually appealing tracker that provides solid performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This fitness tracker offers all-day activity tracking and a clear AMOLED screen that makes reading messages and notifications easy. It measures not just your steps and heart rate, but also your sleep quality, giving you a well-rounded health overview. With features like 25 sports modes and IP68 waterproofing, it's built for active lifestyles. Plus, it's been purchased over 2,000 times recently, showing it's gaining traction. Now, some users noted that syncing with the app can be a bit slow. Here's the thing though, once it's synced, the tracking is pretty accurate, making it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish tracker that covers all the basics without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you want the fastest syncing capabilities. At $28.99, it's a great option for those looking for style and substance. So there you have it. The Fitbit Inspire 3 leads the pack with its comprehensive health tracking. The Livy Key offers fantastic value for beginners, while the More Pro provides in-depth health metrics. The Bacor stands out with its sleek design, and the AMOLED display tracker is a stylish choice for everyday use. Choose the one that fits your needs best.